smart space-saver design lets you hang up to 18 garments in one compact space for multi-purpose drying or storage. Fits all closets and perfect for apartments. Easily convert any indoor or outside patio or balcony into a drying area. A replacement clothes dryer for the environmentally conscious consumer. Saved on expensive electricity power costs without wasting money on cheap flimsy contraptions. Collapses flat when not in use for easy storage and quick non-tangle frustration-free setup. Tight grip sturdy wire clips. All metal hanging clips grab hold of fabrics to keep clothes in place while they drip dry. One-piece integrated spring mechanisms. Tension is much stronger than weak wooden clothespins and guaranteed not to break or fall apart. Easy to open hanging clips are perfectly spaced to efficiently maximize airflow. Stainless steel leaves no rust marks on damp clothing, no vinyl coating to peel, and can be sanitized unlike wooden clothes pegs that easily splinter. Integrated hanging hook is as easy to use as a clothes hanger. Fits over any clothes closet or shower rod. With one hand, move 18 items at once from the washing machine or sink to the drying area to your storage closet. Smooth swivel hook allows you to effortlessly rotate the rack. Easy latching safety lock prevents the hook from accidentally falling off when suspended in breezy areas or strong gusty winds. Hanging design saves valuable floor space while saving money on drying costs. Durable construction with superior quality welding designed to last a lifetime. Built strong with stainless steel chain links to support a fully loaded rack, even when filled with wet jeans or baby cloth diapers. Will not break, sag or stretch under the weight of wet laundry, unlike plastic hangers or difficult to install retractable clotheslines. Will not fall apart, break down or disintegrate like plastic in UV sunlight and extreme heat. Long-lasting interior or exterior use.